shoulders, knees and toes, B, do you have toes? What's that? You don't? Do you know what toes are? Would you like to see some? Yeah? Oh, I think... Hello kids! This is my friend Buzz, and we're learning about the parts of the body. Head, shoulders, eyes, mouth. Oh no! What's missing on Bee's face? Do you know, kids? You do? Well, let's show Bee the parts of the body, shall we? Let's go!
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Are you ready? Let's play! What is this? Head!
Yay!
What is this? An eye. Great job!
Yay!
What is this? Nose. You're on a roll here. What is this? Mouth. That's right. Way to go.
Awesome!
What is this? Did you say ear? Great job.
Yay!
What is this? Arm. Fantastic.
Yay!
What is this? You did it again. Hand. Great job, learners. What is this? This one's a bit tricky. Fingers. Fantastic. What is this? Leg. Good job. What is this? Foot. Super. You did it. What is this? Can you guess what these are? Did you say toes? Way to go! Like a star, like a star, a star. High five, Buzz! You did it! Now you know all the parts of your body. Are you happy now? Well done! Great job, kids, and thank you for helping Buzz learn all about the parts of his body. You're a star, and Buzz is now a star just like you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I am Teacher T.